I just want to show some members of Congress that you cannot abuse your rights and privileges without encountering pushback. Ito ha, ikwento ko lang. Ngayon, umpisahan nila yung TRICOM hearing on guidelines daw, on fake news. Kasi, eto, get this. Kaya nila ginawa yung TRICOM na yon dahil may mga fake news daw na targeted against members of the Quadcom. Unang-una, kung alam mo ang iyong konstitusyon, you cannot do that. You cannot start legislation for the benefit of a particular class of people. That is class legislation that is prohibited under the Constitution. Hindi pwedeng gagawa kami ng batas para sa amin lang. That's unallowable class legislation. Gagawa ka ng batas, mag-iimbestiga ka dahil kinikriticize ang Quadcom. Saang planeta na naman pwede yan? Baka sa alternate universe. Hindi po pwede yun. If you make legislation, unless merong class legislation, but make criteria. You cannot make legislation just to benefit a particular set of people. Basahin nyo yung si Barok. Sino yung apelido ni Barok? Yung tracker na laging nagdidemanda sa Supreme Court. Yung against the Truth Commission na kinonstitute ni Noynoy. Sinabi niya to investigate the abuses during the Arroyo administration. You cannot do that. That is class legislation and that law was struck down by the Supreme Court. Bakit i-concentrate mo sa criticism sa Quadcom? Meron bang kailangang batas pa? Meron na po tayong, we have the strictest libel law in the entire globe. In the entire world, tayo po yung pinapamahigpit na libel law. Isa tayo sa very few countries na criminalized pa ang libel. Meron pa tayong cyber libel. Meron pa tayong civil action under the Civil Code for defamation, fraud, and physical injuries kung pwedeng humingi ka ng danyos for civil libel ang tawag doon. Ano pang kailangan mong batas? Bago sasabihin nila, tatawagin daw nila yung mga representatives sa social media platforms, TikTok, X, Meta, di ba? Titignan nila kung anong guidelines against criticism ng Quadcom. That is prior restraint that is also prohibited under the Constitution. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, kung ikaw ay mambabatas, magpasa ka naman ng batas o magpaturo ka ng batas sa nakakaintindi sa batas. Hindi pwedeng puro Google. Hindi pwedeng puro Google. Mahirap po ang batas. Kaya nga 4 na taon namin pinag-aaralan yun. Yung iba may bumabagsak pa nga. Uulit-ulit. After namin mag-aral ng 4 years ng bachelor's degree, mag-aaral na naman kami ng another 4 years ng batas. Magre-review pa kami ng 6 na buwan bago maging abogado. Kung sasabihin mo, makukuha sa Google yung sagot. Hindi po. That is prior restraint. That is censorship. That is an abomination in a democratic government. Censorship. Kaya nga nawala na yung Board of Censors, di ba? That is prior restraint. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin yon. Ngayon, uubusin mo na naman yung pera ng gobyerno. Paglalagay ka na naman ng batas na useless, na pagdating sa Korte Suprema, i-strike down for being unconstitutional. Yung EJK nila, anong lumabas? Gumawa sila ng bill against EJK. Hindi nila naintindihan. Lahat ng killing ay EJK, basta hindi in-order ng court. Dinefine mo yung EJK, nakakatawa ka. Sinabi mo, pag government official, ay dapat life imprisonment kung EJK. Nasa batas na eh. Pagka ikaw ay public official, ikaw ay nagpapatay, qualified na. Life imprisonment na. Sinasabi nila, pag may reward system, life imprisonment, price, reward, or promise qualifies a killing to murder. Life imprisonment na yon even without that bill. See? Nagsayang sila. Pinakain pa kami ng katakot-takot na Jollibee ron. Wala naman nangyari. Ang batas mo, kamote. Kakatawa yung batas na yon. Bisahin nyo. There is nothing in that bill, hindi pa pala batas, there's nothing in that bill that does not already exist in our system of laws. Wala. Kasi nga, sa Google nag-aral ng batas. Yan ang sinasabi ko. They cannot keep abusing this. Someone has to stand up. Inutil ang Integrated Bar of the Philippines, ay kumilos. Yung Integrated Bar, naging old boys club na yan, party-party. At nag-recommenda para sa judiciary. Ay nako. Ilang beses na nasisita ng Supreme Court yan for unethical conduct. The latest is yung nanlibre, yung law firm ni